everyone, this video is about the review of Morphy 400 watt hand blender. It is a stainless steel hand blender and it comes with many attachments. It makes your kitchen stylish and comfort. The stainless steel body gives long life for this blender. Also it comes with 2 years warranty. I unboxed this package and let's look what's inside. This one is the 2-year warranty card and another one is the user instruction paper or user guide. The best thing about this product is you can use this for multi-purpose. These are the detachable parts available in this package. Let's see one by one. Okay, about this hand blender, it is using 400 watt motor. Also it's having 2 variable speed control. You can adjust the speed easily. It is so sleek and comfortable for usage. The hanging knob is also present, so it is very usable one while you using the blender. Have a look at this cord. This is a lengthy one which makes the usage very comfortable, and the plug point is 2 pin. This is the detachable stainless steel shaft and it consists of blade which is really very sharp. Let's look how to connect this one. Have a look at the marking present in the shaft. This is where you have to connect the body of the motor. Just press the button and fix it in the right place. The button mechanism makes the attach and detach process so easy. Okay, now let's check the noise of this blender. It's having less noise comparing to other blenders with 2 variable speed control. Also on the top you can adjust the speed limit too. Okay, now I am going to detach the shaft. Next we are having the container with measurements. It is highly usable for making juice, shakes, also baby foods. You can also grind spices using this one. Next one is the whisk attachment. This one is highly usable for beating eggs, also for baking purpose. The stainless steel attachments are highly recommended because it makes cleaning easy. Also the life of the product is longer than usual. Okay, now the next one is the chopper. You can chop vegetables, meat, also you can make mayonnaise too. This one is a multi-purpose chopper with a beautiful design. This one is the best multi-purpose blender available in the market. After searching so many products in online, also in the normal shops, I found this one very useful and the apt one which I needed. It also comes with a hanging stand for the blender, so have a look at this. It's very useful one, and it also having a pair of screws for attaching this one. So this is all about the specification of Morphy Richards stainless steel hand blender. Hope this video is useful and thanks for watching.